welcome to the science class. In the last class, we have completed our unit 2. Okay, so today I'm going to review the unit 2. Today I'm going to review unit 2, lesson 2. Unit 2, lesson 2. Animals and plants, right? Animals and plants. I'm going to review the lesson, right? Okay. So today we are going to discuss about animals, right? The body parts of animals. Okay. Before that, we have to do some vocabulary. Okay. We have plants. Plants, Plants, plants. Next we have animals, Animals, animals. Next we have flower, Flower, flower. And now we are going to discuss the parts of humans and animals. In the last class we discussed about the parts of human. Okay, now we are going to discuss the parts of human and animals. You can see animal here. What is the animal? Yeah, this is monkey. Okay, we are going to discuss the parts of human and animal. Okay, the humans and animals have eyes. Where is your eyes? Eyes. Okay, we have two eyes. 1, 2. Eyes are used for seeing. We are using for seeing, right? Eyes are used for seeing. Next, we have one nose. Where is your nose? Nose, right? We have one nose. Nose are for animals and humans. We have eyes, nose, right? Where is the nose? Here. Where is the nose of animal? Here. Nose are used for breathing. Breathing means taking air in and giving out. It's called breathing. Okay? Breathing. And smelling. Okay? When we smell the flower, we smell the food. Okay? The nose is used for breathing and smelling. Okay? Okay, next we have mouth. Mouth. What is mouth? Mouth. Animals also have mouth. Animals use mouth for eating. Right? We are use mouth for eating and letting sound come out. Our sound is come out through the mouth. Right? We have sound box here. The sound is coming out by mouth. If you close the mouth, the sound will not come. Okay? That is mouth. Ears. We have two ears. Ears. Ears are used for hearing. That I am saying you are hearing. Ears are used for hearing. Okay? And we have legs and feet. Okay, legs and feet. You can see the monkey's leg and feet are used for walking. We are walking, we are running, we are supporting our body weight. Our legs are responsible for holding the body weight. Okay, when we run, we jump, all by legs. Okay. Okay, this is the parts of humans and animals. Next, oh my god, what is this? Okay, different animals have different parts. Okay, we call it outer parts. Outer, we discussed about what is outer parts, discussed about inner parts. Outer parts are parts which can able to see the eyes, right? Okay. Okay, different animals have different outer parts. Okay, and they work differently. For example, so animals that live in land, okay, animals that live in land uses their legs and feet, right? Like humans and some monkeys, dogs, cat, they all animals that live in land, they use their legs and feet for walking or running, right? Some animals that living on land, they do not have legs. Like you can see the snake or you can see the earthworm. Okay, these are the animals that live on land, but they don't have legs, right? The earthworms, the snake don't have legs. They use their body. This is called the body. They use the body to move. Okay, they use their body to move. Got it? Okay. Now we are going to discuss the outer parts of different animals and their functions. Okay, in this picture you can see a tree, you can see a bird, you can see a banana plant, you can see a banana, you can see a monkey, you can see a tiger, you can see a fish, and you can see a lotus, right? Okay. Okay, a bird, you can see a bird. A bird uses wings. They have wings for flying, right? We don't have wings. Only birds have wings for flying. Okay, a monkey. A monkey uh, climbs climbs the trees with its feet. Okay, with its feet and tail. Monkeys have tail and feet, so it climbs up the trees and eat whatever they like, right? And a tiger, you can see a tiger walks and runs with the legs. The tiger has legs and feet, so the tiger walks and runs with the feet or legs. Next, a fishes. You can see a fish. Fishes uses fins. Okay, fishes use fin. You can see this is called the fin. They use fin and they have tail. You can see a tail. You can see a tail and fins. For swimming, okay, fishes swim and keeping the balance. Okay, so they keep the balance and swimming through the fins and tails. Okay, okay, that's all. Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next class. I hope you like the video. Okay, see you in the next class. Bye bye. Take care.